5 ways to make money online for teens in 2022. Number 1. Freelance work. What is it? An easy way to make money is to do freelance work, be it copywriting, translation, graphic designing, video editing, app development, or marketing. There are many websites which offer teens the opportunity to get paid for their skills. These include Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, among others. How to do it? Step 1. Join the site by registering with your name, email, country name, and so on. Once your details are verified, your account will be created. Step 2. You will have to create a profile based on your education, experience, and expertise, and only after it is approved in a specific time frame will you be allowed to accept freelance work. Step 3. You can pick the work or project by directly interacting with clients or going through the site. How much can you earn? You can be paid hourly or on fixed basis, and the amount will depend on the type of work and your skill level. Payments are typically made directly to the bank account, so you will need one. If you do not have a bank account, you may have to provide the details of your parents or link it with PayPal where it is required. Number 2. Instagram influencer. What is it? An influencer is a person who has a large number of online followers, including high-profile persons and celebs, in a specific field or industry such as gaming, food, beauty, fashion, fitness, etc. A favorite fad among teenagers and youth, Instagram posts and videos can also help them earn a lot through sponsored posts, product reviews, brand promotion, affiliate marketing, and selling one's own products. How to do it? Step 1. Select your niche field, something you're passionate about, have some kind of experience or expertise in, and a subject you can constantly post about. Step 2. Create a striking profile picture as people will identify you with it, and make an engaging bio since it will determine your credibility. Step 3. Switch to professional or business account through settings as it will open up various options to analyze, engage, and target your audience. The larger your audience and loyal follower base, the more money you can earn. Step 4. Now post consistently in a way that it keeps the audience engaged at all times. Number 3. Vlogging. What is it? What was till a few years ago just a platform to give expression to one's passions is now a way to earn money. By blogging about a specific topic of your interest, you can pull in readers or traffic, which in turn can translate into money. There are various ways in which you can earn through a blog or vlog on YouTube, such as ad placements via Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, promoting others' products on your blog, doing product reviews, guest posts in other blogs, or product sales on your blog. How to do it? Step 1. Choose a blogging platform. While there are several free blogging platforms like WordPress, Blogger, Medium, etc., it is advisable to set up a self-hosted blog, preferably with WordPress.org. This is because free blogs have a lot of constraints when it comes to customizing and features. Have low storage capacity and don't allow ads or affiliate links, the best way to make money. You will have to pay for the blog and domain name, but it will be money worth spent. Step 2. Pick a domain name and a hosting plan. You will be treated more seriously and professionally with your own domain name, and buying a web hosting plan will give you complete control over the look and feel of your blog. Step 3. Next, pick a topic of your interest and start writing, sharing information, or posting videos. It will take hard work, effort, and time if you want to gain expertise and loyal following. You also need to post consistently and share unique information. Step 4. Promote your blog on all social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. to direct more traffic and increase your earning potential. Number 4. Amazon Associates Online. What is it? Like earning money through affiliate marketing while blogging, you can do the same using Amazon links and earning a commission. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program that allows you to create links on your website or blog and earn referral fees when customers click on and buy products from Amazon. It's free to join and easy to use. How to do it? Step 1. Go to www.affiliateprogram.amazon.in and log into your Amazon account. Provide your account information. Step 2. You will then need to provide a list of your websites and apps, or at least one, on which you will display banners, widgets, links, or other Amazon ads. You can add up to 50 sites or apps. Step 3. In the profile section, provide information about your sites and apps, the kind of products you intend to put up, the kind of traffic you draw, the manner in which you draw it, how you generate income, number of visitors you get, etc. Step 4. You finally agree to the Amazon terms and start work. How much can you earn? You can earn up to 10% in affiliate fees from the qualifying purchases and programs. Number 5. Rent, sell books, online tutoring, project work. What is it? If you love reading or are academically gifted, this is perhaps the easiest way to earn some pocket money. You can rent out your books, sell previous year's school books, tutor other kids online, and help them with their project work. You can also earn by teaching or selling courses on online platforms. How to do it? Step 1. For online tutoring sites, you will first have to register with the site. Then you will be assessed through an online interview or demo, and if you clear it, you'll be taken on board. Step 2. All you need to be an online tutor are a computer or laptop, internet connection, and expertise in your subject. That was all from us today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.